Hi, I have an appointment today.
He's new, sorry.
It's all flowers.
Come here. Is that a fart?
After learning all this, are you tempted to take one home?
So did you put it there? I think that's supposed to be for goobies.